Hello YouTube, I'll be showing you some target practice with the blue revolver and the P698. To get this mag bit out, you have to pull that bit back and push, and soon that will come out. To get that mag out there, it's on the side, you push that button and the mag will fall out. I'll be shooting on that snowman, the top of that shed, that blue box, and that little snowman. So first I'll be shooting with the P698. It's 250 FPS and I've had it for sort of a while now, and it's really good. I like it. So here we go. Hit. That's how you do it. Hit. I'll be shooting on the top of that shed now. You might see the bullet. There. I think this is where it hit. There. There, so I even saw that one, it's just there. I'm aiming on that blue box now. Hit. I think I might be able to hear that, but I heard it. Miss. But I hit that wooden thing. Kinda. Right, I'm aiming for the little snowman now. Nice. I hit it there, that one. Right, I'm out of ammo. Yeah, I'm out of ammo. That. P698. Handgun. Now I'll be using the revolver. This is 270 FPS. And I've already said to get the mag out, you pull that back. I would advise you to buy one of these because they are a really good gun. To cock it, you pull that bit back like this. You pull that bit back like that. Pull the hammer back, so it's like that, and you just fire away. I'll aim for the green bag so you can have it. Hit. I'll be aiming for the shed now so you can see the bullets. Right, so I hit that twice. Now you will know the blue box, the revolver. Miss. Miss. Last shot on the blue box. Hit. Right, for the snowman now. Hit. Miss. Last shot. Miss. I'll just check if I'm out of ammo. Yeah, I've told you how to get the mag out. Pull that back. Push that. Oh, I've got one bullet left. So, I'll shoot with that. Just cock it. Right, so aim for the the snowman. Hit. At least I think that's all the bullets gone. No? Oh well. Right, this last one. Hit. So they were my guns. The revolver and the bbgun handgun. That one's bigger in length. So you can make this one smaller by taking that bit off. I'm going to show you this gun now. My mate Dean, he's on YouTube as well, showing the Beretta. He's called Mean Dean, so if you want to search him, you should. This is 320 FPS, and I tell you what, it's a really good gun. I'll just fire. 1 minute. So you see that bit, you push that down, and it may be hard to push it out. There, that's that. I'll just that I hit then. And my other mate, Henry, he's also on YouTube. This is his electric gun. It doesn't have any bullets in, but I'll show you what it sounds like. So I'll get it. So there. So that was my BB guns. Please comment, subscribe and like. I'm not bothered if you dislike, but I just want good comments. Thank you.